Intermittent fasting explained benefits and best methods for weight loss. Trying to lose belly fat, boost energy, or feel healthier overall? The answer might not be in what you eat, but when you eat. This is intermittent fasting, and in this video, we'll explain how it works, why it's effective, and which method is best for you. Let's get started. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, ORF, is a simple eating pattern where you alternate between eating and fasting. No calorie counting, no special diets, just time-restricted eating. It gives your body a break to burn stored fat, reset hormones, and promote long-term health. Top 5 science-based benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1. Fat loss. Your body uses fat for energy during fasts, especially belly fat. Number 2. Lower insulin levels. Fasting lowers insulin, making it easier to burn fat. Number 3. Cell repair and longevity. It activates autophagy, your body's natural cell cleaning process. Number 4. Boosts brain function. Improves mental clarity, focus, and may protect against aging. Number 5. Simple and flexible. No meal prep stress. Just follow your window and stay consistent. Best intermittent fasting methods. Number 1. 16:8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window, x. 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Ideal for most beginners. Number 2. 14:10 method. Eat in a 10-hour window, fast for 14. Great for those easing into it. Number 3. 5:2 method. Eat normally 5 days a week. On 2 non-consecutive days, eat only 500 to 600 calories. Good if you prefer flexibility. Number 4. OMID, 1 meal a day. 23-hour fast, 1-hour eating window. More advanced, use with caution. How to succeed with intermittent fasting. Stay hydrated, drink water, black coffee, and herbal teas while fasting. Break fast with whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies. Avoid sugar and refined carbs, especially during your eating window. Be consistent, it takes time for your body to adapt. What to avoid? Don't break your fast with junk food or binge eat, it can undo your progress. Stick to real, nutrient-dense foods. Your body deserves it. Intermittent fasting isn't a magic fix, but it is a powerful, proven tool for weight loss and health. Pick the method that fits your life. Start small. Stay consistent. And watch your body transform. Are you ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Let us know your goal in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who wants to lose weight naturally. See you in the next one.